Hello everyone and welcome back to What's for Dinner number 30. I am here to make you hungry again, so let's just jump right in. We're going to start things off with one of my most favorite comfort meals, which is soup beans, cornbread, and fried potatoes. And yes, I like it all mixed together in the same bowl. If I had cabbage, it would be in there as well, but I forgot to pick that up in the grocery store. But this is one of my absolute favorite comfort meals. Next up, I fixed bacon ranch and cheese chicken sandwiches. This is a crock-pot recipe. Also, you can find most of these recipes in the description box or in the cards in the kitchen playlist. This sandwich is super easy to make. It's really tasty. You just need a few ingredients. It's really good. Chicken quesadillas. One of my favorite quick and easy kind of go-to meals to make. This is a copycat Taco Bell recipe. It is so yummy. Highly recommend trying this. I did do a recipe on this. You can never go wrong with breakfast for dinner, fried egg, sausage, and gravy and biscuits. Yum! This is also another kind of comfort meal. Breakfast is good anytime. This is the Copycat Sonic Smash Burger. This is so good. The sauce is so delicious. The smash burgers themselves are so good. They have crispy caramelized kind of edges. So yummy. I added bacon to mine and I had melted cheese with the smash burger sauce, and I toasted the bun with a little bit of butter. This was probably the best cheeseburger I've ever eaten. Barbecue meatballs, baked beans, and homemade potato salad is just always such a good combination. And the meatballs are so incredibly easy to make in the crock pot. And these meatballs, I do have a recipe on them, and they are always a hit. Definitely give it a try if you haven't and you like barbecue kind of recipes. You'll probably really love these barbecue meatballs. Next up is one of my quick and easy kind of meals when we have a super busy day or we've been busy that entire week and I just want something quick and easy, is the Hamburger Helper beef stroganoff. And I like to have that with peas, and this time I had a box of cheesy garlic bread in the freezer, so I just fixed that up too. Quick and easy, everyone loves it. Another comfort meal is chili, homemade chili. I make this homemade chili in the crock pot. I did have a little dollop of sour cream, a little bit of cheese, and of course I'm having mine with crackers. This is awesome. It's an amazing recipe. Highly recommend it. Chili is good anytime. I love chili all the time. And I also like to have this chili with a grilled cheese. So yummy. Chicken that I make in the crock pot in chicken broth, and I use chicken gravy over top of it. This chicken, I kid you not, is a chicken breast, but it tastes exactly like turkey. Try it and you'll see. It literally tastes like turkey. It's so yummy. And the chicken is so tender. With stuffing, shells and cheese, and mashed potatoes. Homemade mashed potatoes. This meal also could be classified a comfort meal. What I'm realizing now is What's for Dinner number 30 is literally made up of mostly comfort food. This was a roast with homemade garlic bread, scalloped potatoes, and mixed vegetables. Quick and easy in the crock pot. So tasty and yummy. The roast was literally falling apart. I used one of those pot roast packs that you use in the crock pot. So delicious. Chicken casserole. Anytime I'm thinking of my Papa Rufus, this was one of his favorites. And I always make this and I always think of him, or I'll be thinking of him and I'll end up getting stuff at the grocery to make this. It's so delicious. Chicken casserole and green beans. Garlic bread and spaghetti. You can't go wrong with that either. Such an easy meal. So tasty. Super filling. And the last meal that I have to share with you today is meatloaf, homemade mashed potatoes, macaroni and cheese, and peas. Another I would say falls in the line of comfort meal. You can't go wrong with meatloaf. Whenever I fix meatloaf, I think of the 1950s. Yeah. But I love meatloaf. So does my husband. So, yes. Meatloaf for the win. And that was the final meal that I had to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it made you hungry. I hope you will check out the In the Kitchen playlist and try some of these recipes out for yourselves. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.